What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's October the 11th, 2024, and I thought I would update the site there for the Open Door Country Store, and this will give you a little more proximity to where it's located in the neighborhood. There below you see the barn there up at the walking track, and we'll fly over the fire station towards the Open Door Country Store job site. That is Old Ware Road below there. And Emerald Mountain, of course, is to the right. Anyway, after they did the groundbreaking, October the 1st, looks like they're busy doing a lot of the site work to get it ready for the building. They're out there putting in some culverts, I see, along Mitchell Creek Road. It won't be long. Brett's Open Door Country Store coming soon. What a great addition to our little neighborhood. At the junction of Old Ware Road, Jackson Road, and Mitchell Creek, that's where the Open Door Country Store will be located. And you see Coventry in the background, which is adjacent to the Redland Middle School on Jackson Road. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. That way you see all the updates as I post them on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.